Using both items, we can do about 100 masks and 200 ear savers per day. But I'm still tweaking stuff, so I'm trying to get that up a little bit higher.
A Coquitlam couple has turned their home into something of a makeshift factory, producing thousands of face shields and ear savers using 3D printers.
We have 8 printers now in our house running full time. So there's 6 in this room, and then there's 2 scattered amongst the house elsewhere.
Jamie and Keisha describe themselves as a crafty couple, making things like their own candles, beer, and wine, saying 3D printing came as a natural next step. And then about 3 weeks ago, they decided to turn that hobby toward helping fight the spread of COVID-19 by printing PPE for frontline workers.
And we got so much support from the community. We had 3 printers, and then a neighbor had a spare printer, and then more people donated. So
it's support they say they're grateful for.
I think pretty overwhelming, but in a good way. I think it's pretty cool that we're in a position that we can actually help a lot of people, and that we're surrounded by our family and friends, and really an awesome community that's just been providing us with a lot of support, and everyone just wants to help.
Can you even maybe just kind of show us how it works, if possible?
So how I like to picture 3D printing is, imagine a really tiny hot glue gun that draws things layer by layer. So you have this little computer-controlled hot glue gun, really, really hot with plastic in it, and then the computer draws the item 1 layer at a time. So it'll draw the whole first layer, it'll move up, I guess, 0.4 millimeters, and it draws the whole thing.
So far, they've delivered their printed PPE to clinics and dentists, but say they're seeing a huge need from long-term care homes.
We found that they are, unfortunately, so far down the priority list of who gets to order PPE that a lot of the people that have contacted us have absolutely nothing. Like, they have no face shields. They're using swim goggles at work because they have nothing else to keep droplets out of their eyes. So I'd say 400 or 500 have gone to care homes.
The pair say once this is all over, they'll have no need for all these donated printers and will donate them off to local schools.
In Vancouver, David Zura, City News.